Alright, yo, what's up? Alan checking in on a Saturday, and I'm pumped right now because I'm kind of pumped, but I'm walking over 2 miles here to pick up the MR2. Mr. 2's ready, so yeah, Willwoods are on. Apparently put the 3mm wheel spacers on. We'll have to take a look when we get there, but it says it's working, driving great, stopping, etc. So be there in a little bit, and yeah, I'm excited, so I hope you guys are too. Check back in. Yeah, y'all, we've arrived. Not a bad time either. Let's see if he's sitting outside. That bad boy. Love to see him. Look at that ass sticking out. It's a good looking booty. Holler at your boy. Alright, y'all, we got the new lug nuts on. SSRs to match the wheels. Running good. Willwood's installed. Got the just a real small 3mm spacer, you can see right down there. And clears the caliper now in terms of the spokes, so that's great. But yeah, we got Peter says it's running good, so excited to drive it. Check back in. Alright, y'all, first drive, and you know I had to take you with me. I'm like literally just pulling out, waiting for traffic, but it's already a huge difference not having locked up brakes. And I'm starting to wonder if this thing didn't have locked up brakes the whole time, or minorly locked up, because it already just rolls so much more freely, I should say. But here we go, I'm gonna have to shift, obviously, so hang on here. Running good, man. Sorry, it's really hard to obviously drive and shift. So I'm gonna put you in the stick here. No, you didn't fix the speed? Okay, well, what happened, Peter? I forgot to ask you about that again. Oh well, whatever. We'll figure that out. Dude, it feels great though, man. Holy cow, it feels good. Like I said, the ride's really rough. We definitely need to do something about that. But it's running really good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty happy. Throw some fresh gas in because it hasn't had new gas in a couple of years. Go get some Shell. Treat her good. Treat him good, excuse me. Check back in, y'all. I'm so pumped. There we go. Alright, y'all, what's up? At the gas station, the old Shell, getting some gas in this bad boy. First impressions, I've driven it probably 2 miles so far, and I honestly think the brakes were fucked up the whole time. I mean, the car feels way faster. I mean, obviously I was driving around with the brakes completely locked up at the end there and smoking, but I mean, what a difference not, you know, driving around with the front brakes on. So, feels great. Honestly, it's driving awesome. He aired up the tires. That made a big difference going from 15 pounds, 20 pounds, he said, to 29 is what we put him at. And checked all the fluids. Nothing's leaking at all in the vehicle. Fluid levels were clean and good. I just checked the air conditioning, and the air conditioning's working on this thing, which for the non-MR2 people out there is nuts. So speedometers, obviously forgot to do that, but I mean, honestly, who cares at this point? I just want to put some miles on it and just see how it is. Really excited to try to throw a computer on it too, to be honest with you, and convert it to a map sensor from that stupid airflow meter. So but either way, much more to come on Project MR2. Hope you guys are enjoying this, and I'll try to get you some more coverage on the way home here. So after we fill up with some fresh gas that's not 3 years old, so 2 to 3 years old, I should say. So check back in.